guys, this is Anthony, JD Byrider, Assistant Service Manager in Waukesha. I'm actually here to give you a couple tips to keep your vehicle on the road for years to come. There's simple things you can do: fluid exchanges, oil changes. You just got to make sure they're done on time. You can find the mileage and specified mileage for the change in your owner's manual. It comes with just about every car. If not, hey, we got phones. With that being said, transmission flushes. Not something that has to be done every year. Typically it takes years before your next one. So once it's done, you're good to go. For example, Chevy, a lot of them are at every 50,000 miles. Coolant flushes, that's something that's probably a big thing to keep in mind as well. Keeps from premature engine wear as well, keeps that engine nice and cool, keeps your water pump from breaking down prematurely. Over time, it just builds up corrosion, and something you want to avoid. So those three things: oil change, transmission, coolant. Your vehicle will be on the road for years to come. I've seen cars go for years without costly repairs just on those three things. Have a good day.